guys, so my name is Akoko Val and welcome to my YouTube channel. For this channel, we'll be dealing with the home organization, motherhood, cleaning, home decor, and such things. It's everything home. So if you are interested in such content, kindly subscribe, like and share and join my family. For this episode, we're going curtain shopping. And okay, I bought curtains. It's a new house. We recently moved and I went curtain shopping. I wasn't sure about starting a YouTube channel, was a bit skeptical about it, but finally I decided to do it anyway because it's something I've been interested in for quite some time, and I'm hoping that you guys enjoy the type of content I'm going to be posting. And let's go curtain shopping.
This is the shop where I got my shears. It's in town. So look at the texture. I just love the texture. For me, everything is about texture. I just love anything textured, and just if I buy something, it really has to call my name because I don't like buying stuff that I don't really like. I took a total of 20 meters for all the windows in my house. This is me waiting to just go back home after a whole day of running errands. So for the design, I went for the pocket pull. As it's being sewn, I went for the pocket pull. Let's go have lunch. I had biryani, chicken biryani, which wasn't as delicious as I expected. Let's go home. So we're home. Let's unpack. This is what the living room window looks like at the moment. Yes. So this is a new house. We moved and I'm loving this new house because it's giving me space to experiment. Get soapy water. I used warm water and powdered soap for cleaning the windows. Warm water helps make sure it takes off all the grease that may be on the window, so let's clean off all the dust. So as I was saying, we moved to this place and I feel like this house is going to give me it's going to allow me to experiment and just get everything I want, achieve the look I want for my house. I don't like the walls of this house, so I'm planning on coloring that, planning on changing the color, painting it white, pure white. That's what I want. So let's get the shear onto the pole. So this is what I referred to as pocket pole design. See, instead of the hoops, the normal hoops like the ones the curtains have, my heavy curtains have, I went for the pocket pole design, and I feel like it's going to give me the look I want better than all the other designs. So let's check if our windows are dry so that we can hang back the curtains. We live on the 5th floor, so I actually can't be able to clean the outside window, but I can see due to the rain and dust it's become quite dirty. But now I don't have a way of cleaning it, but I'll figure it out. Let's wait and see. My apologies for the lights flickering. My ring light cable got cut. I stepped on it accidentally while shooting today, and RIP my ring light. I'll have to get a new one, and don't worry not. I'll sort the light situation pretty soon. There it goes. Look at that. Look at those gathers. They look so beautiful. I mean, you have to admit. Look at the sunset. So I get to see this like every day from my living room and bedroom window. Even my son's window, he can see the sunset. And a lot of cars. He loves cars. So see that. Sorry about the lighting. Look at that. Look at the gathers. Look at that. Let's go to the bedroom. So this is what my bedroom looks like at the moment. When we moved here, this is a new house. So I'm still buying stuff, and now I just bought our shears. So this is the situation going on here. When I was buying curtains, where curtains are expensive, so I only got to buy curtains for the living room and our bedroom. All the other rooms I haven't bought curtains yet, but for this particular one I bought all the shears for all the rooms. So the curtain rod in this bedroom is actually quite heavy, so I had to get help to get it off. Let's get it off and then clean this window. Yeah, there it goes. Put it on the bed. There's Riri, my son, always trying to help, always following me around. This is the second rod. Let's get it off and clean. Try and clean the windows as often as you can because they get dusty over time. You can clean them at least once a month, every month. Look at the dust. We live by the road, so it's quite easy for dust build up to get inside the house. Look at that. It's so dusty. This is why you should clean the windows every so often. Cleaning this up. Look at all the space I have here. Okay, so let's get the shear onto the rod. Trying to figure out which side I was supposed to get it on with. So yeah. And there we are. Let it go in. Getting the shear on the curtain rod is actually satisfaction level 101 because I mean it is really interesting. Actually, it's very relaxing. Much as it involves a lot of work, by the time I was done with this, I was so exhausted. But I had to get it done. I just had to. So for this particular window, I did 2 shears. The 7-meter was separated into 2. 4 for one side and for three for the other side. See, my bedroom window is sort of an L shape, so that's why, and there's a divider in between. That's why I had to separate and not have just one long shear. Let's get the curtains back. So see, these are the loops for the curtains, and for the shears I went with the pocket pull. I used the tissue hack. I'll share a video on the same. Let's put it back up. The left shear goes to the left, the right one stays on the right. Look at that divider up there. That's what I was talking about. See, the curtain rod is actually quite long and quite heavy. The window is a total of, it's 8 meters long, I think. 7.5 or 8. I don't quite remember. I think it's 6. Yeah, it's 6 meters long. So I took an extra meter for the curtains. Each window is and each shear is 1 meter longer than the window length. One advice I'd like to give on buying curtains is that when you're buying curtains and shears, buy something that, go for neutral colors. Neutral colors make patterning easy. Not patterning, say mixing colors is okay, fine. It's fine if you like mixing colors, but for me, I prefer neutral colors. Actually, my theme color is actually gray, black, and white. Oh, and shades of brown, which I'm going to try and get rid of over time. Yeah, but so far that's what I have. I'm planning on keeping it those particular colors. For my room, I'm thinking gray, black and white. The living room is the same. Let's head over to the home office. This is my home office. So the curtains in the home office and my son's bedroom are curtains from our old house, previous house, sorry. So we intend on buying. I bought chairs for this particular window, but I am yet to buy the curtains, so that's on my plan, and I'm soon going to buy them. So worry not. I'll share videos of the same when I buy the curtains for the home office and my son's bedroom. I'll share videos on the same. So I cleaned that wall too, cleaned the floor area around here, and then let's put the curtain on. Yeah. There it goes. Almost on. In this house, you'll see cars the whole day. You don't even have to look, they're just passing by. For this window, I feel like I took less meters than I should have. I think 4 would have created better gathers than the 3.5. This is 3 actually. Yeah, this is 3 meters. Yeah. So this is what it looks like currently. By now I'm exhausted. These curtains fit our previous window quite well, but for this particular window is higher than the previous house we lived in. That's why they don't reach down. I'll fix that situation over there. Let's head to my son's bedroom. Here is the window. This is what the window looks like. These are also our previous curtains, our old curtains, and I intend on buying new curtains pretty soon, as soon as I can, and I'll do a video of a makeover because this room needs a lot of work. Honestly, this is the one particular room that I haven't taken time to, not taken time. Money. Look at that wall, it's so dusty. I had mentioned we live along the road, so it's quite easy for my house to get dusty. So dusting is something we have to do every so regularly, almost on a daily basis. I have someone who helps me with that because, yeah. Clean, more cleaning. If you enjoy these cleaning videos, this is home, because this is what I'll be doing. I'll be doing mostly home organization, decor, cleaning. Yeah, and I just want to get someone inspired. I hope I get you inspired. So if this is what you like, watch, join my family, like, share, subscribe, refer me to a friend who you feel enjoys home videos, because I'm simply going to vlog about home videos, organizing, momhood. I'm a young mom, my son is 2, so yeah. Let's clean his windows. Put the shears on. Yeah, that's it. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? It's spread out the gathers evenly, and look how beautiful that is. Look at that. It's amazing, 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 amazing. So if you've gotten this far, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you come back and stay tuned for even more videos of home organization, decor, motherhood, cooking. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, refer me to a friend who enjoys such videos, and let me know if you like such videos or I should switch up. And also suggest on the comment section what other things you'd like me to do on my channel, because I'm here to do everything that has anything and everything that has to do with home. It's all about home, making the home comfortable, making a home cozy, and achieving the kind of home that you want. Home is a place where you spend like 90% of your time, so it has to be a place you want to go back to in the evening after work. Goodbye, see ya, thank you.